Boys, how are we fucking doing, man? Let's get a little banger on, yeah? Fuck it. EU sells, boys. You're either with us, right, or you're fucking against us, which would be quite silly, wouldn't it? Which I think would be borderline. Can't say it, would love to say the word. I would put my emphasis into it, but boys, if you're against us, man, you're only going to get toughed in. I hate to say it, man. Boys, how we doing, man? Good afternoon. Good the fuck afternoon, brothers. LD for sure, bro. Hear the settings, brother. Right, what I'm gonna do, LD, is I'm just gonna scroll. This goes for anyone who wants the Richesse indicator settings. I'm just gonna scroll, and then you can like pause it, go back in time on the YouTube live, and you can just see. So I'm just gonna do this quick. Do it quite slow so you can actually see. But just like go back, rewind, pause it. Visibility doesn't really matter. But there you go, bro. Gents, how we doing, man? Just saying, we had this from about fucking 6:30 in the morning, lads. We had this from about 6:30. It's almost like we can tell the future, yeah? Understanding institutional buying and selling is so key, man. Trading the Richesse strategy is fucking insane. The same strategy we've been trading for... I don't even know. I don't even know anymore. Fuck knows. God knows. SK, how we doing, my family? What's good, my broski? Boys, what we saying on the UE? Ruben, what's good, bro? Unknown, what's good, man? Kaya, what's good, bro? Lord, Rafi, Theatre, Universe, Pascal, what's good, Bruce? LD, Platinum. Nikki, what's happening? If you're in the YouTube, boys, say yo. If you're on the ticket, say yo. I want to see who's in this bitch. Still looking for entries. Boys, I've got this one placed. I don't know who's got EU placed, but I've got this placed in the challenge. This is a New York continuation of previous day. See harm, brother. What's good, my boy? Vish, what's good? I'll look at GJ and EJ in a sec. Aki, what's good, bro? In terms of DAX, boys, you know me, I'm shorting. In this market scenario, it just has to be shorts on DAX. It has to be shorts on all equities. We shorts FTSE, we shorts Euro, we shorts Geopolitics, which is DAX, we shorts S&P, we short Dow, we short everything. We short everything. All equities, we're short, lads. The XY, we're bullish. Yields, front end, back end, they've come down a little bit, but it's still stupidly strong. VIX, fears up. So we're safe haven friendly, boys. We're safe haven friendly. EU sales are the ones, my people, them. EU sales are the main best orders we can get for this New York sesh. This is what I've got on right now. DAX at OTE. Has DAX come back? That looks good, bro. Continuations, bro. I'm looking for price to continue down, to be brutally honest with you. We filled that new day gap, which is perfect. But now I'd like to see price start having that manoeuvred down. Question is how we react from anything high volume. I think that's always the main question, and we fucking have. Oh, the cells look far too nice on that. The cells look far too nice on this. Aki, what are you looking at just out of curiosity, broski? I'd say shorts all day long. Where to short to? It's just have DTO for the time being. Just have DTO for the time being, but I love the look of those. That's a higher risk. Short teeps. Hopefully EU can come back up. I don't just want price to see. I just don't want to see us just completely leave to the downside. But this is exactly what we was looking at the crack of dawn this morning, lads. The crack of dawn. Before most people were even fucking actually woken. Before people were even brushed their teeth, we already was looking at this. Chris, what's good, my boy? Orcs, what's good, bro? What about gold? Because the dollar's so strong, gold's just moving to the upside because we're in a safe haven favoured market, but very slow. Ads, what's good, my boy? Adsy, what's good, broski? What's good, man? Should I short GU right now? You can short GU right now. The only thing with GU is just not as strong as the euro is just more weaker than the pound. So I've always been favouring this the euro USD to the downside over GU for the blatant reason that the euro just is weaker. But GU, yeah, I mean, absolutely, bro. If you trade more GU than EU, I would say so, 100%. But for me, it's EU all day long. I've been selling EU for the whole of this year pretty much, and it's been beautiful. Maybe Kaya. Remember, we got New York Stock Exchange open in about 45 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if we see price come back up. Hopefully, we don't just see it shit itself down to the DTO. But again, it will just show that the bias is so harsh to the downside. Which again, if for some reason I've seen a lot of people look to long EU this week. And if you've been someone that has fought to long EU, again, I'm not going to call you an idiot. I'm not going to say you're stupid because most of us are just learning in it, right? But understanding why EU has been weak this week and why you should have been selling it is so key. The pressure to the downside has been favoured over the buyers. And again, if you don't understand why we've been weak, boys, get the fuck... book a call. You know what it is? I'm just going to say book a call, bruv. If you still don't understand the market bias and the real way to understand where the market's going, book a call, man. If you go on an Instagram story, Lou's posted a story where you can just go book a call with us. Me, Lou, and Aaron are giving pretty much free calls to anyone who needs help with this type of shit. Go on the Instagram story, lads. It's Richesse FX. And book a call, man. If you need that help, book a call. Because there's nothing worse than being against market bias. And what I mean by against market bias is against institutions. Against where the big money is going. The market isn't always set up or laid up in the way that it's obvious where price is going to go. Okay, nothing's always obvious. Especially in markets like today, like right now. Nothing's massively obvious, right? Because there is manipulation left, right and fucking centre. So you need to understand why is the market moving in a downward trend in this scenario, even though a lot of you guys seem to be EU bullish, which has been getting people chopped and fucking can't say that word, mate, but you should be getting chopped, right? I booked a call, looking forward to a chat. Simon, can't wait, my brother, can't wait. Goes for everyone as well. If you want to book a call, man, book a call. Stop struggling in silence. If you don't know the real bias, boys, get in on there. Short anything, short EU, short GU, short against the dollar. That's sort of the bias of this New York session, lads. That is the bias of this New York session. Short against the dollar. Dollar's strong. Me too, bro. Euro USD. Love that, man. UJ Mace. What are we looking at for JPY, my people? I'll be real. JPY today's had a lovely retracement. Lovely retracement. So I'm looking for price to... This is sort of what happened Monday, Tuesday for EU. I want to see price continue down. I don't know about you guys. I want to see price continue down. I don't really see the yen being strong. It's just, in my opinion, just very, very, very weak. And we've already had some really good... This is one of the orders from someone in our Discord this week who caught a 9R trade. A 9R trade on GJ. And again, taking advantage of the weak yen. The weak yen through fundamentals, through understanding that the pound is strong and the yen is weak. Not much of that is going to tell you on chart. I mean, kind of is, because yen's a currency which is normally always weak. It's been weak for years. In fact, there's literally been I think it was it might have been the back end of last year or early this year, where they was looking for an intervention. And when you've got an intervention from an FX, you look to mass buy your currency. And again, it's not really worked for Japan. Japan have been trying to, or the BOJ I should say, have been trying to mass buy the yen to get the strength back up. But it's not been possible. The yen has kept declining. And why? It's because oil has continued to rise. If oil prices continue to rise, Japan have to pay more, or they have to sell more Japanese yen to buy a dollar to get oil, because they are massive importers of oil. They import all of their oil. That's very key to understand. And again, if you don't understand these little things that give you market bias, put you towards the right bias where the institutions are going, you're gonna get yourself fucked. And who wants to get fucked, man? I mean, if you're a female in here, maybe, but us dudes, we ain't trying to get. I ain't trying to get that. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do the fucking, okay? Short GU, short EU, brother. Short GU, short EU. For me, mainly EU, just because that euro is weaker. And this is the exact position I've got placed on a 200k challenge right now. Short GU right now. Well, obviously wait for price to come back up. You don't just want to sell. Get in what it makes sense. Institutions are selling off their long positions, which make long drop. And that's exactly what order blocks are, boys. It's exactly why we've been looking at order blocks. This order block here, right? It's manipulation of institutional buy-in to institutional selling. And then we see price retrace back up, push price back to their buy orders, take off their buy orders, and as soon as we come to that order block where the original buy orders of the manipulation was, we fell off straight away. Wicked off, fell off like a sack of shit. Boys, you want to be with them. You want to be with the smart money. You want to be with the institutions. You don't want to trade against them. If you trade against them, you're going to lose that battle 9 times out of 10. I promise you that. Be on the right side of the market. And if you feel like you're not, again, go in our Instagram, book a call, will help you understand to not get fucking pushed about like a John. Key zones on GJ. It's difficult now with GJ because GJ's had such a big distribution to the upside. At the moment, it's hard to actually tell where the key levels are. I'd say key level... It's difficult to say with GJ right now. Because we've had such high buy-in and no real selling. This whole leg here could get retraced 50%, 20%, 10% to continue back up. But for me, I'm still weak yen, boys. I still see oil coming up. I'm going to say this every single day until it does. And I've been saying it for the last 3 days. I've been saying it since the start of the week, boys. Okay? Where's Monday? No, where's Tuesday? Monday's here. I've been saying it from the start of the week. Monday, Tuesday, we're going to see oil continue to 140 minimum. 120, 130 minimum. Right now, we are not seeing this war come off of oil. And we know we had the most important secretary in the White House tell us why the US are doing this to Iran. It's to take their oil. One, they want to get rid of their leader. They want to get rid of their nuclear facilities. Right? That's one of them. And then they come out and said yesterday, the secretary of the White House said they want to take the oil. They want to take the oil. This is going to cause a rupture in this oil market. They want to take it from Iran. Exact same way they did to Venezuela. They want to do this, well, not really, because they had infrastructure around Venezuela. They're still patterning Venezuela, but I'm sure with Iran, they just want to fucking take it. Oil, we're only going to see oil boom, boys. We're not going to see oil down. We're only going to see it come up. Okay? Key thing to understand, this war is, and I'll be real, boys, again, it sounds horrible, but I fucking love these situations where, okay, again, it sounds terrifying. I shouldn't really say some shit. I sound demonic. But these situations in war, we can really... Okay, it sounds awful. We can make a profit. Sounds horrible. Feels horrible to say, but we can. These are great times. Again, horrible thing to say. Euro USD. This Euro USD we're looking to sell, brother. I'm on the same trade. Lovely stuff. What trade you in, sorry, bro? This is the trade I've currently got a place right now. It's the EU sell from the order block down. We had the trade through this 5 minutes. The only 5 minute we had. We had the trade through. I'm looking for price to essentially come back to that area. And price so nearly come back up, but we didn't have that push back into that level. So we're doing a little bit of waiting here. Just short with GU and it's going up now, bro. Okay, well again, boys, if you're just instantly buying the market, if you're instantly selling after a distribution, you're obviously going to get into drawdown. Okay, obviously, you sold the market here, bro. Why are you selling the market here? Look where my order is. Look at my chart. I'm not trying to sell here. We needed to see this, and now we want to see price back down. If it continues down, we simply don't get in. Unless you have a big stop loss, that's going to fuck you. You're on the right side of the market, bro, but the entry isn't the best. And entry needs to be just as good as the bias, otherwise you're not going to win trades. Plus they have control over Hormuz, exactly. And they've got control of the Hormuz, the Strait of Hormuz, or whatever the fuck you call it. Horrible name to keep and try and pronounce. I feel like I pronounce it wrong every single time. But Iran have the full control over the Strait of Hormuz. Okay, a few different ways. They've put mines in the Strait of Hormuz. So it's already blown up to US ships. It's already blown up to US ships. More people getting involved in this war. Loads more people. We've had this war, boys, is far from over. Far from over. Oil's going to keep going. Stocks are going to keep declining. Dollar's going to keep rising. Yen's going to keep falling. Let's take advantage, boys. Let's stop. And again, I've been seeing this whole week, I've been seeing people buying they're buying EU. Buying EU in a long-term perspective. Fair play if you want to get in these like little buys in the morning where you want to get this buy here. That's fair play. It's fair play. But if you're getting in the buys long term, again, you're against the market and you're going to get bullied 9 times out of 10. And again, there's been a lot of people that have been so... I mean, on this TikTok, fucking hell, we've had loads of people think you've got to buy EU. Loads of people. Straight up hummus and falafel, that's what I might start calling it, bro. It's just going to be a lot easier. Spitting facts, bro. I appreciate it, my boy. I was going to sell with you this morning, but didn't get the 5-minute MMS, so didn't end up. Good job, really. 100%, bro. No, it was a good move. But the thing is as well, the reason why we waited, and I didn't get in sells straight away. I didn't get in sells here, okay? I didn't get in sells as we took the Asia high. And the reason why is because, well, the same reason as yesterday. We want to see price come into these high volume areas. These high volume areas are traps that the institutions set, okay, to distribute price down. This is where the institutions had that manipulation up to sell. That is what an order block is. It's a renownedly known thing what an order block is. Essentially, it's a footprint of a... and I've literally just done a brand new video for this for the course, right? It is literally institutional buying, manipulation of the buyers to get everyone in buyers to distribute price down in the real position. Okay, and as I said yesterday, high volume equals accumulation, low volume equals distribution. Let's look at this move here. What happened within this move? Let's go on the 1 hour time frame, get a bit more analysis. This was, again, I've been very unlucky on EU. With yesterday's order, today's order, we've been quite fucking unlucky. But again, if you're on the right side of the market, boys, you're only going to win. Remember that. You're only ever going to win. And it's all right if you don't get entered into the market all the time. That's absolutely fine. As long as you're on the right side, you will have minimal losses. And I'm not a person to say minimal losses is what you want. Okay, it's not really the case. But if you're on the right side, you're going to get the best P&L. And if you're on the right side of the market, man, it's the bravest thing. I mean, boys, how many times have I said to you, I've come on every single day, sell with you. Fucking brave as shit. And I've had probably half of the TikTok live, quarter of the YouTube live against me with that bias. And I've still stood on this. Stood on this. But this institutional buying here had the redistribution back down. Let's look at volume. What did volume do? We had high volume in this area. We had high volume. High volume means accumulation. Okay? And accumulation is what price gets attracted back to. An order block. What happened after we had that distribution down, or the accumulation of those orders, I should say. Let's look at volume again. As you can see, this line here shows how much volume. Obviously, the deeper it comes out, the more volume, right? We had the lowest amount of volume in this move, in this whole leg, in this whole day. And yesterday, and the back end of yesterday, we had 0 volume here. Literally close to 0 volume, which shows the distribution is to the downside. If the distribution is to the downside, that is the real market bias. And again, if we have high volume traded within this accumulation here, we want to see price get attracted back to that and then sell off. What do we have? That exact thing. And again, boys, we was looking at this at 6:30 in the morning, at the crack of dawn, in the pre-London stream. It's exactly what we was looking at. Don't think I had a photo. I think I sent a photo to Lou at about 7 o'clock this morning. But this is where we have our pre-London call every single morning, boys. Look at the times. 6:30, 6:30, 6:30, 6:30, or 6:45, 6:30, 6:45, 5:45, 6:30, 6:45, 6:30, 22, 6:30, 10:02, 2:45, 6:30. Still had to send it in for me, I think. 7, he sent it in. 5 to 7, 6:30, 2:45, 6:30. Every single day, we do the exact same thing. We set ourselves up for success, and we fucking have the best market bias you can fucking have for the day. Because we analyse the markets from the absolute get-go. The absolute get-go of the morning. Again, a lot of people try to come onto the markets, try to come on these lives and say they know what the real bias is, but then they get fucking fucked, really, because they don't actually do that pre-market analysis. GJ got a 15. Oh my days, this might be not. Oh my days, we did, brothers. Brothers, we did. This could be another. Oh my days, you actually could get in some re-distros here. Where's the 15 minute though? I don't think we had the 15, did we? Should I exit EU? Bro, if I was you, I think what you need to do now is just learn. Learn. And I'll be real, bro. If you learn, because you're on the right side of the market, but learning why you're looking to sell and where you're looking to sell is so key, bro. So fucking key. Sorry, boys, I've been missing the hella comments today. Still buying GJ, yeah, bro, 100%. I'm still weak yen. How do I get started, bro? Well, boys, again, if you want to learn how we trade, just jump on a call. Zero bullshit. Just jump on a call with us. This is on my Instagram story. Let me get my Instagram up. That's my Percy. Fucking hell, I don't want to give up my personal. I get a couple of you guys in my DMs on some homo shit. This is the Instagram, boys. Richesse Effects. The exact same as at the top of the screen. On that link here, you can book a call with us. Go on that link, book a call. And it fucking loads. Let it load, let it load. Got stopped out of this GJ was in buys this morning. Whatever. And just pick a day, my phone died. Pick a day, pick a time. And boys, we can sit on a phone call with you for fucking half an hour, 45 minutes, hour if we need to. Go over exactly, well, essentially what your problems in trading, what you need to know, what you don't know, and getting you signed up if you want to get signed up. Let's have a look at chart check, LD. What you got in there, bro? Ooh, nice. Is that GU? Nice, brother. No, nice, bro. Love that, man. Keep that shit up. Are you? What was that first trade? EJ to the upside. Love that, bro. I'd say GJ's a better buy just because the pound's a bit stronger. Show me your GJ. Show me your GJ. Again, we're at such a high price, man. It's quite difficult to get back in, but we come below the price. Okay, no, I'm not gonna lie. We come below the Friday 5th. I didn't even notice that. Bro, we still buying up on the GJ, bro. Still buying up on the GJ. Crazy work, man. Crazy work. L trade. Welcome back, Luke, the guy who keeps trying to buy EU and just keeps on getting mo-hested. Luke, at what point are you going to get embarrassed, my friend? At what point are you going to be embarrassed? You keep on getting shit wrong. Honestly, bro, if you get shit wrong and you understand why you're wrong, you're going to be a good trader. But if you can't understand when you're wrong and you still have this big-headed attitude about you, you're not going to get anywhere. And I've said this about 3 times now, bro. I've said it about 3 times. I've not ended a trade this week. You lost EU yesterday. So you're not even a market participant. So why are you talking? Why are you talking? And what EU did I lose yesterday? Again. Come on, Luke. Mr. Spectator. Mr. Spectator Luke. Who keeps on joining my lives and keeps on getting constantly bummed by the market. Is it okay to sell GBP AUD? Fuck knows, bro. I don't trade GBP AUD. Not too sure, buddy. I'm not too sure, brother. Selling GA at this level, I'd wait a little bit, but I don't know about GA, bro. I mean, I don't trade the Aussie dollar. I'd never look at the Aussie dollar, so I couldn't give you no actual background around it. The pound isn't a strong currency when it comes to stuff like the dollar, or I mean, I don't know about the Aussie, bro. I don't know the situation around the Aussie right now. 2 Luke's better than 1. Come on, bro. Bro's got 2 phones and joined the live on 2 different accounts. When are you going to grow up, bro? When's going to be your year you're going to grow up and actually make money? And I've just realised he's also got a profile picture of about 100 quid or 200 quid in his picture. You trade lit concepts. What do you mean by lit, brother? What time do you wake up? About 6, bro. 6 o'clock pretty much every single day. And do you stay on the whole day? What do you mean do I stay on, bro? Liquidity inducements. When you say lit, what do you mean though, bro? Liquidity inducements. Liquidity I use. Liquidity everyone has to use, 100%. 1,000,000%. Where's your swing high or low? Right, Luke, bro. Again, I think we need to stop having conversation in this live, because every time you tell me you're biased, you've got it wrong every single time. So I think it's time to stay a little bit quiet now, pal. Do you think Yen Basket's ready to come down? You think it's coming? I reckon it's coming down. It's going to come back down at some point. I'm just not too sure when. We've had the re-distro. We've had it back up to the Friday 50. I can start seeing us come down now, realistically. Same as EU, boys. We're not really looking for price to really come back up to these high levels to then re-distro down. We're just looking for price to go to the Friday. I mean, the Friday 50 alone is sweet. Exactly. Bro, Luke, there's 100 people on my YouTube every single day, and you've embarrassed yourself to a handful of people now, bro. About exactly, you fucking little flid. Yeah, I've been told recently about TradeZella. I mean, I don't use it personally, but I've been told recently about it, and it actually looks unreal. Not just for journaling, but for backtesting, and for your trading plan. And we're looking to get the Richesse indicator on there as well. Stu emailed him this morning. You look at the charts the whole day, pretty much, bro. Pretty much, man. I live and breathe this fucking shit. EUG retracing, that's what we want to see, brother. This isn't a perfect setup. You know what, Luke? Again, I'm going to have to mute you, you little child. This geezer's probably made about 50 accounts, not going to lie. TikTok live stream seems to be better than here. No, YouTube's better. TikTok's, I'll be real, has got a handful of donuts. Bro, this week been hell. In what sense, bro? Why has it been hell for you, man? How are we feeling about AU? I'm feeling good, buddy. There's liquidity inducement theorem. Your trade seemed like you use it. I use liquidity, use inducement, but it's not all based around just inducement, just liquidity. A lot more goes into it. Notion's good as well. Notion is good. Yeah, but wait. Mate, you know any good that's free? I'll be real. Invest in a good one, bro. Like that TradeZella is only like 20 quid a month. It ain't gonna eat your pocket. Ain't gonna eat your pocket. Saying this is dumb. By the way, boys, Luke's been saying this since the start of the week and got it wrong every week. That's another account I'm gonna have to mute. By the way, Luke, it takes me 2 seconds to mute your account. It takes you about 10 minutes to fucking make a new one, bro. So we can keep doing this. That's alright. Notion is one. You have to do it yourself. Yeah, honestly, TradeZella, bro. That's what I've been seeing. I mean, we've got a journal if you want to use it, Evan. We've got a journal. Message me on Discord, bro. I'll send it over to you. Check that shit out, brother. To get most out of trades, you need to go pro. How much is the pro one? Is it 20 quid? I thought Stu said it was about 20 quid. Boys, invest in your trading, man. Like, just because it's just because it costs money, like, stop getting scared at fucking spending money, for the love of God, boys. If you want to make a lot of money, you're going to have to fucking spend something at some point. Do you know what I mean? A lot of you boys love buying funded challenges and fucking full porting them, but when it comes to actually your education, you don't want to spend it, which is silly. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for 7 years now, brother. Do you think EUG re-entry looking good? Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Do you think just because price is coming up here, I'm shitting my pants, boys? No. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. I've got this trade placed. With the regular account, you can only add one account. With Pro, you got unlimited. You can replay trades. You take. Oh, that is sick. Pro's $50. $50. It's like 30 quid, boys. Spend money on your fucking on your education, man. You boys will happily spend a fucking 30 quid on a 3-5 or a 50 quid on a Q, but you wouldn't spend about 30 quid on a fucking on your trading to actually understand what's going on in your trading, because you only get better through your journal. If you don't have a journal, you don't journal your trades, you will not get better. That's a fact. Yeah, but it costs money. Everything costs fucking money, bro. Water costs money. Everything costs money, bro. Everything. Why put your stop loss there and not on the top? Not on the top of what, bro? Not on the top of what? How long did trading become profitable? About 3 years, bro. It took me a long time, man. Found a tune. Jay, hit me, brother. Fucking hit me, man. Hit me, broski. Hit me. Alright, Luke, when the market moves down, do us a favour, don't leave the chat, stay there. Don't get embarrassed and leave again like you've done for the last 3 days, bro. Stay there. I want you to watch this as shit plays out. Bearded clam is free, though. Good point. Is it, though? Is a bearded clam ever free? And if it ain't free, it's going to be an unbearable thing, innit? Let's be honest. It's going to be annoying. It's going to be unbearable. Where's valid TP, bro? For me, it's the daily CRT low. Who's it by? Kid Kobe. I found a nice little tune as well. I'll play it after. Please check JU, bro. I'm looking at the same thing, really, boys. The same thing. Should we enter EU? It's your decision, boys. I'm not. It's your fucking decision. I've got it placed. It's your decision. I'm good, Luke. How you doing, my family? What's good, brother? Ooh. I like this. Probably finna get stopped out. Would you like to? I would like, boys. If you've got an opinion on the chart, do us a favour, actually give me an explanation, for the love of God. Otherwise, you're just going to get ignored. And not everyone in the YouTube's going to think you're a donut. So, if you're going to say something, have a bit of body to it. I'm in this, Danny. Well, I'm not in it. I've got it entered. Price missed me as we come up. My entry was on here. Oh, fuck. Will I just move it? My entry's here. Is it a banger, bro? Is it bearish today? You tell me, brother. I mean, if I'm looking to sell, it wouldn't be fucking bullish, would it? Put on Casper, TNG, the market. That's going on next. Swing high, swing low. Yeah, swing high, swing low. Bro, your strategy's so chopped, you do different things each live. Traded the exact same way every single live for about 3 years, bro. Is GJ just not moving? Well, I would prefer if it did come back down, not gonna lie. Luke, how's your buyers going, brother? Let us know, my boy. Let us know, Lukey. Hope they're going well, mate. Hope you and your mum are still suffering in poverty.
This is a Startup Bro
classic. Yeah. Oh, man. I managed to get an entry, bro. Do you think that was a good time? 1.545463. If you're in, bro, good. As long as your stop loss, I'd say as long as your stop loss covers like yay highs or yay higher, you should be alright. Hey. Alright, shout out to them boys keeping their mum in poverty, man. Shout out to you. I forgot. I can go back in the chat and I can get receipts for this loot guy. Let's get some receipts. Let's get receipts. Let's get some receipts. Luke, hope your buyers are going well, brother. Luke, currently going through... Okay, I can't really say that, I don't think. Let's see if we can find Luke's little comment. Let's get some receipts. I hope he doesn't delete it after I mute him, otherwise he's a very lucky man. He might be a very lucky man, ladies and gents. He might be a very, very, very lucky man. He's a very lucky man, bro. I've got to remember not to mute him. L trade. Speed him on. Just want to get a screenshot of that. Cheers, bro. Wait, Speed him on. Horrible name, by the way. What trade are you in, brother? I've heard this thing before. I've heard this before. Guy isn't even profitable. Trying to dodge every question. Bro's dodging every question. Hey Mason Lou, if you're there, do you feel like finally your parents are completely okay with you pursuing trading? My mum was good with it when I weren't profitable. That's why I've always got respect for my old lady. She's always allowed me to do trading. I think Lou's mum and dad, I think, was a different scenario, but my old lady always allowed it. Bearish on the S&P, absolutely, bro. We're bearish in all equities. All equities. I feel like I've been in this trade for decades, bro. Trust me, mate. Yes, Gomo, how we doing, my boy? He's a banger. I've heard this one before, but I don't know where I've heard it. It must have been on one of these streams, isn't it? Rafi, what's good, my fucking son? In the EU cell again. As always, Gomo. As always, brother. So, Speed, let us know you trade, bro. What trade you in, my boy? What about gold? Gold's a little bit of a sticky one. It's buyers, but it's sticky buyers because the dollar's so strong. Can I sell in New York? Absolutely, broski. That first move, EU. Is this the trade you're in? The first move on EU, is it? Where is it? GK, if you're in the Discord, bro, send it to me on in the chart check. Boys, send all your charts to chart check if you're in trades or looking at trades, and I'll give my opinion on it. Show portfolio, then, if you're profitable. Again, Speed, if you keep ignoring what I'm saying, bro, then you might as well fucking toddle on. You might as well, exactly. What? Who said that? Was it Harvey? Go back to TGR stream, bro. We piss on people like you, bro. Just saying. We piss on people like you. Play Something to Me by Josh Baker. Wait, what was the other one said? I just came across your live today, G. Can you send link for... Absolutely, my boy. If you go to my... where's my phone? If you go to my Discord, exactly, you can't show because you don't have one. I got done for harassment and bullying. Speed, I can't say too much more, bro. I'm harassing and bullying you. I'll put that one on after, bro. Let me just, let me get this link to you, boys. But if you go to the Instagram, boys, it says I haven't completed my profile, bro. What you on about? If you go to the Instagram, everything's in this bio, boys. Discord should be the top link over in there. Did this phone just not charge whilst it was on charge? Just that top link there, my boy. It pretty much acts as an invite. L trade, L trade, L trade. Fucking hell, we got loads. I tell you what, I'm gonna stop streaming on TikTok soon because we got too many little flids. Yeah, these songs are alright, Lou. These like these songs. These are like songs that, like this song for example, has got like 1.4k views. I don't think these songs are like copyrighted. No, they get me through New York. I'm only joking, Jay, bro. Don't worry, man. I'm always here, my brother. I'm always gonna be here. Takes 2 seconds to show portfolio if you're profitable, then you could prove it right now. Again, Speed, if you keep ignoring what I'm saying, bro, I'm just going to keep ignoring you. Dax gone. Where did Dax go? To the downside. That's weird. It's like we're always right, boys. It's like we're always fucking right. Where's GJ gone? It's like we're always right. Dax, it's like we're right. EU, it's like we're weirdly always right. It's weird, isn't it? It's weird considering I have no clue what I'm talking about or I'm unprofitable. Weird, weird, weird. Very fucking weird, lads. Scamming people for money. Mate, how does it feel to be a market maker? It feels fucking amazing, to be fair, Fletch. Feels good. Feels lightning. Feels absolutely lightning. The atmosphere is just electric. Oi, Speed, what trade did you lose today for you to be so annoyed at everyone else, bro? GJ's just external high, bro. Don't get there. What's it called? Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. What the fuck is it? Don't go. Trey? Oh, don't go, Trey Reynolds, bro. You had a massive tune, is it? Alright, 9k views, that's good. Boys, if you can, give me songs that like haven't been copyrighted, so like ones that just haven't got fucking barely any views. I'm sure that those will all be alright. Oi, bro! Okay, I don't know if this one's gonna get copyrighted or not. Would this get copyrighted? I'm not even too sure. I guess not, if it's like a remix of it, right? I don't really know how it works with copyright. Oh, bro, I've missed bare comments on TikTok. Anytime GK, bro. Monster Tray, come on, bro. Oil ALG. Oil ALG, bro. Bro said oil ALG. Oh, wow, oil's gone up. That's weird. It's like we almost know what we're fucking talking about. It's weird, lads. It's fucking well weird. I'm weirded out by it. I'm so weirded out by it. Look down Leviathan. Leviathan, that's a bare cool word. Leviathan. That's a fucking bare cool word. EJ stop loss. Please stay with me. Bro, the actual song, I actually might have to play the actual song. That's such a banger. EJ's not as good, boys. GJ Byers is nicer. GJ Byers will be nicer. But EJ's stop loss. Where's high volume yesterday? With me. I like the look of this order block, I'm not gonna lie. As long as you're clear of high volume, stops anywhere around here will be good. These lows, these lows. I would expect price to start moving off this level here, to be honest. High volume from yesterday. Let's have a 15 minute, no 15 minutes, use a 5 then. Here. Trade through that and then we'll see, lads. Hopefully EU can actually come back up, I'm not gonna lie, I would love for that too. The only thing I need. I'm in oil ALG, is it? Did you get on that on funded? Is that a funded? I think this Leviathan one, I think that's going to be a copyright one, bro. I'll be so honest. Got fucking million views, or 500,000 viewers. I know. Yeah, bro. I think this is definitely going to be a copyright. Boy, try to give me tunes that haven't got copyright on. I mean, that song's massive, apparently. I think I've ever heard that tune, though. Casper TNG, The Market. Alright, so 2 million views. Bro, this is gonna be copyright. What song is this, though? Where are these men from? I keep fucking at the market. Where are they from? Are they fucking... They can't be English, right? What are they like Irish or something, bro? Is that Irish? What is that? Richesse anthem, bro. Should we put a Richesse anthem on? Let's put a Richesse anthem on. I think we know that that's not copyright for some reason, even though it's I don't know how copyright works, because Lou was getting copyright warnings, like heavy copyright warnings. But like, we normally just play most tunes. They're from Toronto, Canada. Canada is like the Irish of... It's like, yeah. Canada's like the Irish of America, isn't it? That's what it bare sounds like. No, I'm just going to put this one on. I know this... They probably can't even understand this one to be copyright. I'll play that one after, Risky. NCS. What does NCS mean, bro? Just go NCS. Oh, what? No. Oh, what? Like fucking. Yeah. I'd say it's still valid to you. Defo. People like to rage bait you a lot, including you, Lord, bro. Don't think I don't fucking see you trying to rage bait me all the time. But I don't mind getting angry, boys. In fact, I like it. At the end of the day, man, we're killing these markets every single fucking day. I can give a motherfucking shit. You train full time? Yes, bro. I've been training full time for like 3 years now, man. 3.5 years, probably longer. 3.5, I'd say. Are you from the most recent RPG? What do you think? What time frame, bro? Alright, Sam, don't fuck her, bro. Sam, don't do that, bro. Sam, I can't say that. But Sam, shut the fuck up, bro. You're just ignoring me. What did you say, bro? Lol, at least Lou replied. What did you say, bro? What did you say? You hardly reply. Well, bro, what did you say? Say it again, bro. Listen, first of all, calm the fuck down, you little potato. I've got 2 chats in front of me. Just say it again, bro. Just say it again. Say it. I'll tell you what is it then, brother? Serotonin by discipline. By the site. What's your TikTok? What is the TikTok actually? I'm not even too sure, bro. It's MMFX04. At least Lou bust jokes. Bro, fucking leave the stream if you don't want to be here, bro. You're not here against your will. You can leave at any time, brother. You know what, in fact, I'll do it for you, bro. Just so you can't get any of this good shit. You're getting blocked from the lives. There you go, brother. Sure, I'm going to get a message. Oh my god, wait, no, he blocked me. Please get me back in. Please, I love your streams. I really like your streams. You've got really good knowledge. You're way better than me at the markets. Please unblock me. Shut up, pussy! NJ. NJ's a hard one, bro. Will it sell? Which market, bro? GU, cab, I'm saying shorts, my boy. NJ's hard, bro, because I'm not strong the New Zealand dollar, and I'm not strong JPY. So you're constantly going to see buyers flip, and for me, that's an unstable market that I wouldn't bother looking at. I wouldn't bother looking at. L trade stop loss, well done. It's weird how people like it's fucking 1:30 p.m. and there's people like Speedy Mon 561 that just go on YouTube lives and just talk shit. Like, bro, how shit? But like, genuinely speaking, how bad must your life be, innit? Like, genuinely, how shit must your life be? Yeah, Lord, you know you're you know it, brother. Fuck. You know it, brother. Nick, what's happening, my broski? How we doing, my boy? How's it going, man? Should we sell? Should we sell what, bro? Fucking hell. Yeah, what did you say but one? They're unprofitable. Trust me, Nick. You know it, my boy. Where to set? For me, boys, mine's set here, but I mean, set wherever you guys think, right? Again, for me, I'm giving you the bias. I'm not giving you any more than a bias, boys. You're not here for signals. I'm not here to give you, man, signals. I'm here to give straight knowledge. Okay, this is definitely a copyright. Let's not turn that one on. That one's a bit old. Oh yeah, what was that tune you said? Sorry, bro. You said it about 50 times. I just ignored you every single time. Sorry, man. This Dead on Reed's actually quite a small dude as well. Okay, 2 million views. I don't, bro. This one might be copyright. Yo, why does that sound like Squidward walking? Bro, what the fuck is that sound, bro? It literally sounds like Squidward walking. In fact, let's actually play Squidward walking and let's play it next to it. I bet it sounds exactly the same. Bro, that is exactly the same. They've actually genuinely just put... Alright, ready? This is Squidward walking. This is the start of this song. Bro, what is different with those two sounds? Fair play for mastering Squidward's walk into a tune. That's actually nuts work. That's fucking 30, not gonna lie. Reason for not TPing a prior week low. My main target is the daily CRT low, bro. Same target as what I had yesterday. Exact same target. Oh yeah, I'll put that one in after. Refs. Mate, do you think that huge 50-minute wicket is a good TP? What, this one here? Honestly, boys, me, for TP, boys, it's got to be this level. For me, the main TP is that daily CRT low. I've been looking at this for the last few days now. Just for a bit of, just so you know what level it is. We've had the sweep of this high, which is the CRT sweep. And now we look for a price to come and take this low. That's essentially our target. And boys, if you want to know how to use CRT, I've actually got a free PDF that actually explains it pretty well. So if you want that, just drop me on TikTok, drop me a DM PDF. Just text me PDF and I'll send it over to you. PDF. And no, it doesn't mean something else. Just text me saying PDF. Anyone on YouTube, text me on Discord, PDF. Text me PDF and I'll send it over to you right now. Right this second, I'll send it over to you. Honestly, boys, I'll get it to you. I'll literally send it before you text me. That's how crazy it is. So if you think about wanting it, you will get it. Oh, this is a banger. Yes, Jed, capitalising on EU shorts. Let's go, brother. EJ's still not traded through. LD, quicker than you ever thought, bro. EU to Sunday lows. Pretty much the same level then, bro. Love that. That's the daily CRT. That's what we've got in there as well. What was that tune, Raf? I can't ignore you again. LD, you know that was quick as shit, bro. You know that was quick as shit. I want my chat up top. I don't know why I've got my chat up bottom. I want it, or down bottom. I want it up top. Raf, what was this tune? Am I going to have to pop a Percocet to this, though? Yeah. I don't think I've heard this one. I've heard the name, though. Serotype, I've heard the name. Ghost, what's good? You in any positions, bro? I'm not in any positions right now. I've had this order. I've had this order set since we had this push into this order block here. This is the position I was looking to get in, but it's just missed my entry. And boys, if you want to see that I've got it actually placed, I'll show the YouTube as soon as I explain this entry. But my entry was here. And we just didn't have price trade back up into it, which is annoying. But again, it is what it is, boys. I don't really give a shit if I don't get in. As long as I'm on the right side, I'm cool. As long as I'm on the right side, I'm cool. Because February was a month where we all capitalised on those EU shorts. We're currently in a war. If we can't get in, that's fine. As long as I'm on the right side. These are many times where you need to be in a defensive mode. Where's Luke? Fuck knows. Probably trying to buy... He's probably constantly trying to buy EU. I couldn't give a shit what Luke's doing. But I'm going to show the YouTube that I've got it placed. 2 secs. This is the position. Entry's at 578. Position's actually a little bit lower. Oh, a bit higher maybe then. Is that the same short? Same short as what? Sorry, bro. Bro, that's getting replayed. What the fuck? That was hard as shit. Check GJ. How's GJ doing? So we're always right, boys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for turning up, boys. Appreciate you. Bro, I've got to do a fucking Perkies, bro. That's getting replayed one more time. How's your week been, mate? Been lovely, Shane. How's yours been, bro? It missed you. Wait, yours missed entry, Vish. Where was your entry? I'll be real, Habat, or Haptamu. NJ for me, bro, is not really tradable. You got two kind of weak currencies going against each other. So I wouldn't really be favouring them. NJ for positions. This is a banger, bro. That is a banger. Let's put a loop on. I actually like this little one. This one's been flying around on the old TikTok recently, man. I've been liking this one. If I'm wrong, I'm probably Ben. If I'm wrong, I'm Jim S. I'm fucking J Sav. If you know, you know. I feel like only Lou would know, so I hope Lou's here. Loop inside my head. Yeah, limit still on, bro. Limit still on. And boys, by the way, if you are on a TikTok, YouTube is mainly where I stream. And we also stream for London session. Louis goes live for London, I go live for New York, boys. Every single day we fucking smash this market. Oh yeah, follow that tune. Follow that fucking tune. Guys, he's muted. Sam, I'm gonna rip every hair out your head in a minute, pal. TikTok fucking hell. TikTok holy fucking holy shit. Loop inside my head. Mate, so you ain't trades them on. I'm not. I'm still waiting for this EU to come to entry, bro. But for New York, the trades that we're sort of... I don't trade GJ, but this is saying that someone is... I'm going to put that one after, innit? I am, innit? But this one that I've had for the live, this is what we're looking at for GJ for this stream, bro. But for me, I've got my limit set on EU to the downside, brother. Again, if you're against me, you're going to get fucked. Boys, if I'll honestly say it now, don't be against us in this market. Do not be against us. Do not be against us.
Good going, stranger. And you can dance.
Oh, man, no, in all seriousness, what a tune, innit? That's going on next refs. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, mate. Mate, what I would do to be bored around these times, man. What I would do. Been short leave the past 2 weeks, 2 accounts. Past 2 accounts literally shorting. That's my fucking boy. See, that is my boy. Let's pin that. Let's shove that up Luke's arse, shall we? In fact, that's getting a... Shit, I'll turn them off. Boys, don't talk in the chat. I need to take a photo. I need evidence for Luke. Hold on. Let me get myself set up. You guys better beat Man City, bro. I hope we do, mate. We got to. Wait, no, I need evidence of this. Life of Gustavo, my family. Well done, bro. Do you want to connect to my phone? Boom. There we go. Love that shit. Let's fucking go, gents. Let's actually go. Let me actually turn my bluey off though. I don't want to connect to my phone. That's it. Talk about copyright. That's actually a really good point. It's a proper copyright tune. But I guess it's alright then. Can't believe Madrid, man. Yeah, I know, bro. To be fair, last night was a mad bit of footy. This is what I like. The Champions League is actually so good. Even when you're a West Ham fan, yeah, or you support a team that is never really going to get in the Champions League, never going to play these type of teams, mate, it's actually so good watching this football. You actually don't have your heart in the game, and you actually it's all about football. I mean, there's some teams I obviously hate above others, but mate, I tell you what, as a fan of a shit football team, Champions League is the funnest thing to watch. I'm sure everyone else can is behind me, especially if you support Spurs. You guys are shit. Who else is shit? Chelsea, you man are shit. I'm joking. Nah, you man are shit. In the grand scheme, you man are shit, really. KG, I'm assuming you support Arsenal then, bro. Nah, MCFC. You support Manchester City. Fuck Man City. Like, in all due respect. I mean, actually, fuck the respect. Mate, I reckon so, Vish. Arsenal with fair play, man. Bodo to win. I'm going to say it again, boys. If you want to book in a call with us, learn exactly how we do this shit, jump on the Instagram, boys. If you go in the story, the second story on there, you got a link to book a call. Book a fucking call. Let's jump on one. if you actually want to learn. How to be on the right side of the market and not get manipulated like little fliddies like Luke. Boys, understand the real bias of the markets. Understand how institutions trade. Understand how people actually trade on hedge fund floors. Exactly how they fucking trade. Mate, this song's like 4 minutes long, but it still ain't long enough. Well, boys, we need to find another song like this. Oh, bro, this one is a banger as well. Is it this one? Oh, no, ain't. This is a good song, but no, we don't want... We want like Madonna, bruv. What about this one? So, slowly, this is a banger, actually. This is a tune. This is a banger, bro. This is a banger. Nah, what, you wanted that on, Jay, did ya? Mary J. Nah, that is a vibe, innit? Wait, I'm gonna put Hung Up on, though, first. This one's an absolute tune. This one hits different, bruv. Madonna, I tell you what, man. Madonna is so hard. Madonna is sick. She'd get it, mate. She would get it even... Wow, okay. That would have been... I was so far. Thank God you, man, ain't in this cranium with me. Fucking hell, that would have been insane. I'm hung up. Jade, I hope you don't know what I was going to say, mate. Fucking hell. But no, she... Yeah. Fucking hell. WGU shoots down as well in the short. Oh, yeah, you in the short for GU? Oh, bro, you're moving lovely, mate. Don't worry about it. You're moving lovely. Moving beautifully. All good. Great minds think alike. Trust me, bro. Oh, man. Madonna, bro. So slowly. Wait, what does Madonna look like now? Madonna 2026. Yeah, like, on my mum's I would. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Yes. Mate, how old is she? She's... Wow. Of course she's fucking 67. Bro, yeah. Do you know what I mean? Where do you think she will end up? Honestly, bro, I'm looking at GU and EU to fall out of its own arse. Prior week 50 maybe for GU. I don't think we've got daily CRT, so it's a bit harder from that perspective. Oh, no, we do. Ooh, brother, we fucking do. I would take it down to the daily CRT, bro. That would be yay level. This low here, bro. See this black line here? This is where I'll take it to. That's exactly what I'm doing with EU. EU's a bit closer because the Euro just is weak. Alright, Luke, how your buyers going, son? Hope they're going well, mate. Shout out Madonna, man. No cap. Let me put, what is that one? Mikasa, Yurikasa. Mikasa, Sukasa. Wait, what tune? Wait, hold on. Oh, I thought it was that one, bro. This is a banger. Is that DTO? Buyers, boys. Buyers. 100. Let's wait for a trade through, but buyers, I would say. Oh, no trade throughs. No 5 minutes. Oh, shit. Ooh, that's actually kind of annoying. DTO and come off high volume from yesterday. No trade throughs. Maybe wait for just a bullish fair value to form here. Just wait for a bullish fair value. Because, yeah, we don't have any trade throughs. Yeah, we don't. We're going to have to wait for some fair value to get built up here. You reckon he will push down, take Asia, and then push back? I think it's going to keep going, bro. I mean, it's already taken Asia's low, bro. Mate, if another balloon pops in my ass, mate, I'm actually going to have a fucking aneurysm. Bare annoying. It was my sister's birthday the other day, and there's been balloons scattered around my house. And every hour, one of them pops. You know when I thought someone was breaking in the other day? It was balloons popping every 15 minutes. Do you know how unbearable it is to hear a big balloon about yay size pop every 15 minutes? Fucking mate, literally mate, oh mate, it's such a weird thing to constantly hear. But keep bringing it down. It's SK, I'd say just keep going down, bro, with VU. EU's already taken the Asia lot. Or are you on about GU? Maybe you're on about GU, because I know GU hasn't taken Asia's low yet. But I'd say keep going. But EU's already taken Asia's low, and EU's going to go. Yeah, buddy. Yep. I like the look of gold, not gonna lie, I actually bare like the look of that. How's GJ doing? GJ's still sitting nicely in profit. That's about... I mean, how much is that? Not even 1 hour, though. I know, it's sitting 1 hour in profit. Let's see if gold has the reaction we want, though. Oh, previous Asia low. I don't know. Honestly, bro... See, I'm not going off this. See, that is kind of irrelevant now. It's kind of irrelevant. As an Asia low, it's irrelevant. It's more of a daily low now. It's a daily low. That's what I'd call it. But I reckon it could reverse up from there, defo. I'm just targeting to that. I don't reckon it will reverse up completely. But that is what I'm targeting, you know? Because I'm still very weak EU. Even if we TP on this, I'm still very weak EU. Off the order block. What's that on Rafs? For gold? What order block? I mean, yeah, this is. I'm looking at this 4 hour order block here. No, sorry, 1 hour order block. But you don't want to buy it straight away. We want to see a reaction that sees us to the upside. And I think us seeing no fair value gap to trade through kind of makes sense to keep coming down. But we'll see if we actually get any patterns that actually would allow us to start longing. Front end yields back up. 2-year, 10-year bond yields back up. Let's go, bruv. VIX, fear indicator back up. Oil still climbing. Yen basket not really doing much still. Still not doing much. I mean, we've seen GJ sit in the same range for about 5 hours now. It's at such a high point. Yeah, Raf, send it to me, bro. Nah, I'm not in GJ. I don't trade yen pairs, boys. I don't trade yen pairs. This is just something I had for the New York live. Same as this previous one as well. TP wasn't there. TP was way lower. But this is what one of our members got. This is the main position, boys. Yeah, that's 30. GU, same as EU, bro, just sells. Just sell. Sell that motherfucker. You think EU will come back? Probably not now, bro. It's fucking literally falling out of its own arse, so probably not, mate. If I'm being honest. Two secs, boys. Right. I think Forex is underrated when it comes to comparisons with commodities or the others. It's because everyone don't look at that, bro. Everyone's so shallow in their way they think about the Forex market, boys. And I'll tell you something. I've got videos on everything to do with fundamentals. Everything you need to know. Interconnected markets, I have videos on this. Everything I talk about, I have videos on. And I'm going to continue to make videos in the future for these exact reasons. Because people don't look at this shit. People don't look at how bond yields affect currencies. How oil moves against currencies. Because oil moves currencies, boys. Believe it or not. Equities or currencies affect equities. Equities affect currencies. So many things that affect the currencies, boys. FX is the biggest market in the world. And will always be the biggest market in the world. The biggest financial market in the world. Trillions of dollars get traded through it every single fucking day. From retail to fucking to imports and exports to the actual FX market itself through bank trading. So, bro, it is the main market. There's so many reasons why it moves. This is why you saying, oh, it's going to move off this level for this reason. It's just stupid. You have to know why it's happening, right? If you can understand why, mate, you're gonna find this game 50 times more easier. I say easier, not easier, because you got to know all these things and do all your analysis. But you're gonna know what to. You're gonna be way more braver. I think that's how you remove psychology. Understand why the market's moving. The reason why people's psychology is so shit is because you don't know if it's gonna happen or not. You don't know. And that's what fucks people. That's why psychology, some people's, who's a better singer, you or Michael Jackson? Definitely me. Michael Jackson ain't got shit on me. In fact, let's put a Michael Jackson song on. Let's just see how dead it. I'm joking. Michael Jackson is so sick. Give me a Michael Jackson song, buddy. Give me an MJ one. What is the best Michael Jackson song, actually? That's definitely copyright. Okay, never mind. Let's not play Michael Jackson. Is it copyright, though? I mean, geezer aren't even alive. Like, surely in all due respect, it can't be copyrighted. Or is that just not how shit works? But that can't be how it works. Yeah, it's not how it works. Throwing pennies at you, boy. Yes. Cheers, buddy. Thank God, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, my boy. Thank God. Smooth Criminal, yeah, I've got to say that. It's got to be one of the hardest ones. Is it the radio edits that are not? I don't know. This is a remix, no copyright. Oh, is it still a good song though? That'll do. This is non-copyright version. When Fun Village, you're talking about fundamentals. Are you in a Discord, bro? Are you in a Discord, bro? Billie Jean, oh, that's a banger as well. Go on, Raph. What time frame you on? Boys, when you send me charts, when you send charts, in this top right, TikTok, you man can't see this. Actually, let me move my screen. When you're sending me charts, press this button and then copy image. You can copy and you can literally just paste it in chat. It's the quickest way to send me charts. Send charts. This is how I do it. Do that. Copy, paste, send it to me on Discord. It makes it easy so I can see the whole screen. I can see, so it tells me your pair in the top left. It tells me the time frame in the top left. Just makes it a little bit easier. Do that for me, Raf, just so I can see like the. I know what pair it is, obviously, but I want to see what time frame you're on. Is that the hourly? No, it's not the hourly. Is it like 15-minute? Yeah, I think that's the 15-minute. I would honestly wait for the reaction back off of it, though, bro. I want to see some fair value that's coming off the back of it. Alright, I've run out now. I'm eating tins of beans for the rest of the month. Oh, fuck, buddy. To be fair, at least I didn't have tins of beans before that, so at least we're sort of on the level playing field now, bro. So I appreciate you, man. Thank the Lord, bro. God. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? No, I'm not okay. GJ, where's GJ gone? Back to entry. Have you got in now? Have you got in now, Vish? Do you reply on Discord? I'll reply on Discord, yeah? Of course I do, bro. Boys, if I don't read your comments, join the YouTube, because I can actually see your comments if you sent it like ages ago. On TikTok, I can only see like 3 comments at like 3 comments at a time, innit? So join the YouTube. You see my full screen, it's so much better on there. Yeah, I'm in now. Nice, bro. We see how this moves. We see how it moves. Are you okay? Nice. Let's put a bit of all Malay. Let's put a bit of the Nigerian. That was just Jamaican. Let's put some Nigerian songs on, Rev. Anyone know who this guy is? This guy's actually hard as shit. What's the YouTube? It's just Richesse FX, Cabs. It's just Richesse FX. I'll show you right now, bro. Boys, also, look at the fucking views as well. Look at the fucking views in the last 28 days. You never see someone like Luke doing numbers like this, just saying. Just saying. I'm just saying, boys. Just saying. The YouTube's just up there, boys. Do you respond on Discord? Well, fucking hell, guys. I don't think you... Do you hear as well? You make it sound like I don't reply to you, but I feel like you also don't listen. So it's a pretty shit conversation we keep having. I don't reply, you don't listen. It's a bit of a painful one. I said, yeah, I'll reply on Discord, bro. But I also said, join the YouTube, bro. Like, if you're on the TikTok and I'm not replying to you, join on the YouTube. $380 getting out of the hood with that one. Come on, Brisky. Come on, Brisky. Now I lost, man. Now I don't know you lied. Hey, call your guy and send it to the weekly CRT, mates. 2 secs, bro. Wait, where's it out now? Just out of curiosity. Alright, 2 secs, Vish. Weekly CRT, yeah? And everything I do, Right, let me give him a bell. Let me give him a call for this one. Two six, Vish. Yo. Saturday, mate. Yeah, I need the same thing with GJ, bro. You know you pushed it 30 pips. I needed some weekly CRT, which is approximately 188 pips if you can do so, pal. Right. Alright then. Okay, yeah, we can wait. That's cool, we can wait. No stress. Oh, wait, Cabs, GU to the CRT. Oh, 2 secs, 2 secs. Sorry, mate, we also need GU to daily CRT low. Yeah. And then if we can also go with EU. I mean, I know you don't really have to do EU, the pressure's there. But yeah, you take it to the daily CRT low as well. Yeah? Okay, that's cool, that's cool. Cool, perfect. Top man. Take care, bro. GJ, we need about 15 minutes for GJ. EU and GU, the pressure's there. So we made the boss call, bro. We made the boss call. Are you bearish on EU? Yeah, I'm bearish EU, bro. Cabs, you know the love, bro. You know the love, brother. Stop loss seems far too tight for this trade here, especially. This is more of a swing trade. This is Confession by AV. This is an absolute banger. I think we need to expand this stop loss. Vish, send me over your trade, bro. Your GJ. DXY bullish. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. LD, where's yours? 212435. Okay, yeah, Vish, where's yours, bro? Just out of curiosity. I feel like I've got mine tight as a nun at the moment. Kind of massively depends who's nun though, right? I must confess, your body very offensive. Two six, right? Would you fly with me? Right, I like that. What's the name of the song, brother? Show it execution. I'm not executed on this GJ. The EU's what I got, bro. Diddy Candle on the downside pending. What's that for, Cartier? What pair, brother? I'll up for EU, trust me. He said give it about 15 minutes though. He can't make it look too bait, do you know what I mean? He can't make it look too bait. So he said give me 15 to 20 minutes and he'll move it for us. That's EU, GU and GJ. EU Diddy Candle, trust me, bro. Well, Diddy's coming into the market very soon. Mace, can you call Trump and tell him to end the war? Nah, whoa. Right, that I can't do. That I refuse to do. I'm sorry, but I refuse to do that because all the trades we got here are because of the war. I'll be honest, okay? So, Lord, I'm sorry, bro. I can't do that. Also, I don't actually have Trump's number. I've got the secretary's number, but I haven't got Trump's number. I've got the White House secretary's number, but yeah, but not Trump's. He's a bit of a closed man. I don't really trust him. I think Trump's a bell end as well, to be fair. So. We've been balling. Alright, let's throw it right back like we did yesterday, actually. Fuck it. I'm in GU shorts. You're a very lucky man, Ian, because we've just called the executives and they're moving price soon. They're moving price soon, mate. They're taking all the way down to the weekly lows. I mean, EU GU sells. Bro, Ghost, that is it, son. Get in those EU GU sells, man. Double down on that dollar, bruv. Yeah, pushing you like that, trust. Gotta keep it around on my people. Melting, bruv, trust me. It's a top treat. Yeah, we're still seeing that move, lovely. I'm going to use shorts. Where do you think it will target most likely? SK for me, bro, is that daily CRT. So this exact low here. So 1.15074, bro. 1.15074. This low here, bro. Yeah, got period blood on my sheet. I just be balling out in the season. Also, where my West Ham fans at, bro? Where my West Hamers at? Where my West Hamers at? Why is the pound so strong? It's because we're going to see inflation rise. But it's not even just the pound, Cab, it's the dollar. But the pound, yeah, but I mean, what wait, what pair, for what currency? I mean, if we look at EG, it's ridiculously strong in that perspective. And the reason why is because the euros are so weak. Euro's higher risk. Pound's not considered massively high risk in comparison to the euro. So risk on, we see the euro. Risk on, we see the euro rise, dollar fall. But the pound isn't favoured. Right now, the reason why the pound's strong is because we're pricing in higher inflation due to higher prices of oil. The same reason why we're bullish dollar. The same reason why we're weak yen. All my bitches got ass and titties. Renee, how the hell are we doing, my lovely? Nice. Come on, Dr. Rack Nawak. Come on, bro. Nice, I appreciate the fucking follow, my familia. Reply on Discord. What's your Discord, bro? I message you PDF. Oh, is it M Lock? M Lock. I'm at real street. Have I messaged the correct account? I don't know. What's your Discord, bro? What's your Discord? I just be balling out every season. No, bro. You know what, bro? We're fucking it. You know what? We're just playing Roddy for the rest of this bitch. Because he's actually so... Wow, Roddy Rish. This is a banger as well. Isabella, how the fuck are we doing? Yeah, Vish, you started now, by the way, brother. EU, starting now. GU, starting now. Will it go down? What's that for, Doctor? I'm gonna start calling you Doctor. Yo, I might, bro. Doctor's actually a hard little thing, bro. Wait, Ghost, what's your Discord, bro? Oh, did I send it to you? Let me know if I sent it to you already. Oh, yeah, Sam's caught me out. Yeah, no, you're right. It's a bit slow. Nah, Sam caught me out with a slow one. Fair dues, bro. GU, it's gonna keep coming down, bro. I've already called the execs. I've already called the boys. Who wins out of 1v1, you versus Lou? Depends what we're playing. What we doing? Still 10 toes down in my Balenciaga. That's a shout out. Oh, top man, bro. Guys, just out of curiosity, what is your Discord? Is it the triangle one, yeah? That's what I'm thinking about 6. Look at my wrist. Someone's gotta die quick. Trying to get my bag, I had to go and make it happen. Me and my dogs, we was busting out the bandos. Lovely. No, bare knuckle. Probably Louis, to be fair. Stop loss on GJ Long, question mark. I'm not even too sure. This is VGOX stop loss. I was a little slow. I was down below, but still I always kept my head up. Gotta get my bread up. I don't wanna die. Just on these lows, just secure it on these lows, boys. Anywhere below these lows is alright. That's a shout out. Cool hearted with the blocker. I'm the triangle one, low. Oh, wait, someone's right. You guys are pump faking the fuck out of me. Legends always gotta die quick. Really? Yo, wait, does the song really cut off at the end there like that? Bruv, no way the song stops like that. That's actually so jarring. Oh, another little banger from Roddy. R.I.P. N-I-S-P-Y. Oh, bro. Why did I just read that out like that as well? You know what? I actually want to play a Nipsey one now. It's mainly because you put N-I-S-P-Y. I was thinking, bro, who the fuck's that? That was obviously Nips. I'll play a little Nipsey after. You know what I was listening to this morning, boys? You know who's a big R.I.P.? P&B Rock. Who remembers this guy, man? On the project wall, couldn't even get along. So funny, write everything down, bro. I write everything down. I'm ADHD as shit, bro. I feel like I actually have to. Why am I writing that down? Fuck's sake. Bro, tell me about gold. Gold should be moving up now, bro. I mean, we're expecting to move up, but we just had we've got no fair value gaps to trade through, so it kind of makes it hard to actually notice if we are having this move up. Bro, all I do is write on this shit. Alright, boom, that's enough, bro. If you say it one more time, you're banned. If you say it more than that fourth time, you're banned. You don't want to get banned from these lies, brother. No cold nights, I was chopping on the floor. It depends what we do from here, though, bro. It massively depends what we do from here. We've not seen the reaction off of this DTO or this fair value, or this order block to continue price on. So right now, I would say just wait. I'd say buy's looking great, but just wait. We took the prior day low. We come to the order block on the 1 hour. We came to the DTO. It looks great for the buyers up. But we obviously just gotta wait because the DXY is really strong, which obviously would push the gold down because gold is priced in dollars. I actually realised I actually write everything down, bro. That's actually funny as shit. All night long. You know what, bro? We actually got to put a P&B Rock tune on. Oh my god, bro. If you don't know this song, I swear to God, we actually can't even be brethrens. We can't be brethrens. Years that I won't get back. Bro, this reminds me when I was like 13 years of age, bro. Nah, it's a bit of a stretch. I must have been about 14 or 15, I think, when this come out. And I got in the graveyard, in the stayard. Day goes by, yet I don't think about the times. I wish that I could rewind. Bro, you can't recall this one. What club do you support? That's my team, Brody. Day goes by, and I don't think about the time. Oh, this was such a tune, bro. I'm pretty sure Kodak's on this. Yeah. This come out probably about 10 years ago. When did this come out? 8 years ago. Raspberry a Trap Queen. Oh my days, that was a banger as well when it come out. You can't recall this one, Sabs, bro. Oh, this is such a banger. 3, 4, 5. And he rolled now. Hard season, a very hard season, bro. Very hard one. Who do you support, that Triple Z? In the graveyard, in the stadium, day goes by. Bro, I've not heard that song in years, bro. Ironically. Wait, who? Oh, Nipsey. Oh, Liverpool. Yeah, you've had a bit of a better one, haven't you? Who remembers Racks in the Middle? This is actually, yeah. Is this what made you say Nipsey? Because of this tune. I'm around every time when the Racks in the Middle. Yeah, you've had a much better season than us, bro. I mean, you definitely could have had a better season, to be fair. I mean, where are you in the league, actually? You must be about 5th, innit? Fifth? Is that a good guess? Sixth. It's been a shit season for everyone though, bro, to be fair. It's probably the best season to come sixth. Everyone's been awful. Like, bro, there's no way first place is at 67 points in 30 games. It's actually dreadful, isn't it? Like, it's actually so bad. Yeah, we're still in relegation. We're still in relegation. We're close out though. We're drawing Nottingham Forest. Obviously, our goal difference is just dreadful. But yeah, it's been a fucking tough season for us, mate. Fucking well tough season. This is a banger. Run around with a V12, with a racks and milk. Yo, laggy. Am I lagging a little bit, boys? You in shorts? Yeah, bro. Well, limits on. I'm not in, but we're looking for the shorts. Same. Lovely stuff, brother. Top man, you're on the right side of the market. Love to hear it. Very bad season for us, mate. I know, bro. I'm muted. Am I? Because I've been fucking having a conversation with these guys in the chat. Am I? What? Can you actually not hear me? Hair by Bex. What's good, Bex? Mate, tell me the markets give us LG trade next week. Obviously, brother. Why can't I hear you? Yeah. Wait, can you man hear me? Yeah, you man can hear me, right? Mace, how much you switched from West Ham? Mace, how much you switched from West Ham to Arsenal? What do you mean, bro? Bro, is it only me? I can't hear, bro. That's so good. Hey, Rich. Hey, Rich, I'll be real. Join the YouTube. Will you trade tomorrow? I don't trade Fridays, bro. It's my last trading day of the week. Oh, you can hear me now, pal. Yeah, this actually is a banger, bro. I had to refresh. Oh, sweet. No stress, my fucking family. Wait, what's another banger, man? Who else has died and has actually dropped some bangers? I mean, I love Lil Peep, but I know you guys just wouldn't rate Lil Peep. But who else? X, but I know you guys probably ain't on X. Who's another rapper that's just died and just was unreal? I can't, off the top of my head, I actually can't think of none, man. Artam, what's good, bro? Cadet. Cadet's a shout. Cadet is an absolute shout. Artam, you put your hand up like you've passed, bro. You better not pass. If you pass, bro, Artan, I'm playing your songs until the end, bro. Just know that. I think Cadets, it's got to be Slut freestyle, man. I think for me, that's like... I fucking love that freestyle. It's actually so hard. I'm in the same, but the retracement after the push down, the wick up 50% of pullback in, and lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. Yeah, I've been short in EU this whole week, Artan. Especially, obviously, we've been looking at the DXY, obviously bullish this whole year, really. Especially through this war, especially through the tariff scenario at the start of the year. Strong dollar's been the bias. Been milking this shit like a fucking cow. Been milking this shit like a bad pregnant bitch. I shouldn't start. I'll take that back. Holy shit. Or closure. What's that, Sabs? Tentassi, bro. I'll bang one of these things on that art just after. How much money you got? 800 at the moment, broski. Me and Lou have actually we've got a couple 200Ks in phase 2 at the moment. So honestly, we're gonna be an extra 400K very soon if EU keeps going the way we're assuming. Oh, bro, absolutely. I've been full-time trading for over 3 years now, though, bro. Yeah, man, I've been in this position for a decent long time. Nah, not with ACG. We've got some with FTMO as well, mainly with ACG. Me and Lou have though. Mate, you wanna get a fuck, bro? How about getting a fuck off my tongue, bro? The hell? I just bought my first one and now I can't lie. Nice, bro. Nice. Don't matter. It don't matter if you bought your first one, bought your fifth, bro. Honestly, man. Good luck on your journey. I'm in the same trade. Love that, Josh. Lovely stuff, my boy. But it don't matter where you are, man. Look, as long as you're on the journey, bro. Fucking lovely stuff, man. Keep that shit up. And boys, by the way, I actually give away 2 25k ACG accounts every single month without foul. In fact, we gave away 6 accounts last month. But we give away 2 25k ACG accounts every single month. With my cock out. Be now, like, you should be alright though, bro. I'll be honest, price should really just fall to the downside. I'm assuming that price is going to go to my daily CRT low, which is my TP. Same with GU. I do want to see GJ come up, but it's been a little bit more stubborn. Bro, I actually risk 2% low, bro. FT mode makes me use MT5 as John. I like trading view. Just learn how to, I'll be honest, learn how to, I've always used MT4 and then MT5 I'm like quite new. I've always used MT4. That's what I mainly came up on. But now I'm on MT5 and bro, honestly, man, it's very similar to trading view. It's just a bit more like a terminal. It's a bit more terminal based. So it's a little bit more old school. But honestly, just sort of, the more you use it, bro, the easier it's going to be. It's going to come second nature to you. Can I have 125k? You didn't even say please, so I should actually batter you where you sit. I'm joking, but I shouldn't say that. Live. Now, not live accounts, boys. Fucking hell. Jesus, boys. Taking a fucking mile from me. Give an inch, take a mile, lads. Jesus. No, they're 25k challenges. But we do giveaways every single first Friday of the month, man. Were you guys looking to trade NQ futures? Yeah. Well, I think Alpha are looking to give us a futures account. They're just busting us a futures account. So I'll trade it, man. I'll be real. I can trade. I'll be honest. I reckon I can trade any market. To be so honest, I reckon I can trade any market. Like right now, I'll just short Nasdaq and S&P throughout this whole situation. That's where you want to position yourself with the with price right now. Oh, you're welcome, by the way, boys. That sell's coming through. That sell's coming through. The exec got it right. How easy is it for 10k a month when you got Angel? Oh, bro, yeah, very doable, mate. Very doable. Very, very doable. Yeah, 10k a month, mate. 100%. Well, let me say something to you, right, Rich? I'll call you Rich. You've got quite a similar name, bro. What the thing is, right? When it comes to funders, and let me explain this to you right now, and this is gonna make you feel a lot more better about yourself, right? Okay. 2 things I'll say. Not 2 things, mate. Shut the fuck up. Right, we're gonna get straight into it, right? I'm gonna explain this. I want you to listen from start to finish, and this is gonna be the most simplest way to earn a lot of money and I'm not talking about monthly, right? I never talk about payouts on a monthly or monthly payments or 10k a month. For me, it's always on an annum. It's always on annually or quarterly, mainly annually, right? So if you want to earn $250,000 a year, this is how you do it, boys. Okay, you want to grab yourself 100k. You want to take 6 months to pass that maximum. Okay, 6 months. Oh my god, that's so long. It takes you 6 months to pass the challenge. Shut the fuck up, man. Promise you, there's people out there that'll pass the challenge in 1 month and they'll be back to having no accounts the next month. So pass a 100k account every 6 months. That's 200k a year. Yeah? 200k a year, we got that, right? So in 5 years' time, with pure consistency of doing that, you're going to have 1.2... sorry, awful math. You're going to have 1 million in funded. Okay? You make 2% a month, which is... Oh my god, you only make 2% a month. Oh my god, that's so shit. Shut the fuck up. 2% a month. 2 times 12 on an annum is 24%. Make 24% on 1 mil. 1 mil, 24%. How much is that, boys? Tell me. Someone tell me in the chat. Someone do the math for me. I'm borderline an idiot. So you tell me, what is a mil? What is 24% of a mil? $240k. Thank you very much. You're now earning $250,000 a year, dollars, USD. That is off earning 2% a month, passing an account every 6 months, which isn't fast. It's not about how quick you are, boys. It's how much money you have and how consistent you are. That's in 5 years' time. How old are you all in here? I bet the oldest person in this live is probably... Okay, Phil's in here. I think Phil's... Sorry, Phil, I'm going to have to call you out here. Bro. Actually, I'm not even going to call you out. I love you, bro. I fucking love you, Phil. But we're all like 20 years of age, right? We're 20 years of age, 30 years of age. 5 years' time, 35 years of age. Jeff Bezos fucking founded Amazon when he was like 30 odd, when he was like 30. How old was Jeff Bezos when he you're 19 years of age, 20 in July. Let's say you're 20 right now, bro. 25 years of age, you're going to be earning $250,000 a year, dollar. Another 5 years, you're earning $500,000 of dollars. When did Jeff Bezos start? Jeff Bezos founded Amazon. When did he found Amazon? When did he start it? "30 years of age. 30. You got bundles of time, boys. Bundles of time. Would the same prop firm allow that though? No. But the point is, boys, there is multiple prop firms. Some of the best prop firms in the world, FTMO. The percenters. I'm just going to put a percent sign. ACG. You can get max funded 400k with these prop firms. That's 1.2 million in funded right there. 1.2 million in funded. And you've got other prop firms that are also great. These are my top 3. And at that time, anyways, boys, you'll be putting money into a personal account. Some payouts you're going to be putting into personal accounts and building it up. Nothing wrong with being 40. Absolutely nothing wrong with being 40, bro. In fact, I'd rather be 40. Okay, I'll take that back. I kind of don't. But still, 40 is a good age, bro. Right, 30. Exactly, bro. Some of the best CEOs in this world founded companies that are very. I mean, how old was? Okay, let's keep that train going, right? Let me put my phone on charge. I'm about to die in this bitch. EU, is it accumulate? Nah, bro, she's going to the downside. Same with GU. Do you swing trade? I don't swing trade, bro. On the intraday. Honestly, Mace, Kupasa. What's Kupasa? What does Kupasa mean? Kupasa. No whiplash. Kylie Jenner became a billionaire before 20. It's a little bit different though, bro. She was born into the Jenner family. And she, let's be honest, all she's got is a fucking body and a face. She ain't smart. She's thick as 2 short planks. Do you know what I mean? Like, people like that you can run rings around. You couldn't even have a conversation with him because she's so borderline stupid. Mate, what's a good age? Don't ask me that. Honestly, I say older the better. Boys, I like wine, if you know what I mean, bruv. I like wine, and wine is better when that shit's older. I think he's asked, how are you in Espanol? I'm good, bro. How do I reply back in Spanish? Sticks to revolvers. Bueno, como está? No, I don't think that's what he asked. Kupasa. Kupasa. What's Kupasa mean? What's happening? Hey. Did with Kanye or 5k right now. 5k, bro. Kanye's a fucking weirdo. Nah, joking. I'll definitely butt Kanye. Over 5k, definitely Kanye. Definitely. I'd rather butt Kanye than probably about fucking 20k. I'd rather buck him over like 20. Maybe even 50k I'd rather buck him. Means what's up? Kupasa. Age like fine wine. Them ones, bro. All I'm saying is Madonna. That's all I'm saying. Madonna's 67 years of age. I'd run on that bitch like she's a fucking treadmill. I ain't gonna fucking lie. You taking the mick? She's old as hell and I'm still on that, brother. What's the time? It's 2:30. Dinner with the FTMOCO, have 1 million funded. 1 million funded, bro. If I have another 1 million, that's like doubling my funded, bro. I'll fucking take that. Therefore, I'd be taking that. Men's peak performance is like 34. Is it? Is that a fact? 1 hour before London closure, USD break 115. It should do, bro. What, as in break the low? Should do. Rue, how's it going, my boy? How you doing today, bro? Hope you're well, man. Feeling. Ronaldo's 44. No, he's not. Is he 44? Oh, he's 41. That's still bare old. Well, it's not bare old at all, but that's actually nuts. Took an $500 win on the 100k Lucid Futures count so big. Hey, lovely stuff, Rue. Congratulations, my boy. What a lovely day. We'll have to have a look, Pergo. We're going to have to look after that, mate. But honestly, for the rest of the day, I just want to see that CRT low get taken. We're about to take it. Boys, we had this analysis from about fucking about 6:30 this morning. Richesse are the best in the fucking game, man. How old is Madonna? Madonna is 67 years of age, and trust me. Trust me, as soon as she gets 2 years older, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing with her. Bro, I'm not going to lie, cracking Madonna would be an absolute fucking that'd be such a cool thing to do. Megan Fox. Megan Fox is unreal, but she just seems like a fucking bitch. Madonna seems like she'll be alright. I mean, like, Madonna will probably be better sweet. In fact, you know what? On Madonna, you know what? We gotta bang that song in again. Fucking hell, what's that tune? Fucking hell, what's that tune knocking here from a mile away, bro? Someone broke into his crib. Someone broke... Could people not break into... Oh yeah, I just had to follow the tune, boys. It led me to the stream, bro. Nah, I just went to go piss on the floor. Any of you boys just think, you know what, fuck it. I'm going to stop using the toilet. Like, I hate rules. Rules are so shit. I'm going to start pissing in weird places. Just me, or is anyone else on that as well? I'll start breaking rules when you get to a certain age. I'll start pissing in corner rooms and shit. Like, but let's go, in all seriousness, let's actually go with VUGU. GJ's again just pissing about break-eves. Do you ever piss in the shower? Bro, I piss in every time I have a shower. In fact, I wouldn't even count it as a shower if I don't piss. Nah, bro, we ain't your dog. Yeah, my dog's got to stop that in all seriousness. Stop pissing in my office. Which is a better frustrating thing. Yo, if GJ buys his bullish, doesn't that mean GU will also come up? Not necessarily, bro. Because the analysis is around the JPY and the dollar. And we're weak dollar. We're weak Japanese yen and we're strong dollar. So that's why, not really, bro. And I win because of it, bro. I finished work at 1 today, but didn't go gym because I wanted to go back to the markets. Alright, let's fucking go, bro. What a lovely day, mate. $500, man. Don't it make you think, fucking hell, I can't wait till I'm doing this full time, bro. I can't wait. Mate, so if you've got a 200k right now for free, who are you choosing, ACG or FTMO? ACG, bro. The spreads on FTMO just aren't as good. They're just not as good. FTMO are quick with payouts, and they are... Mate, they're actually... But FTMO, they're actually fucking brilliant, man. But it's just the spreads for me, which aren't amazing. Like, the actual... When you're on the account, the actual spreads are just... The amount of times I've not been put into a trade because of it is a joke. And I used to copy trade my trades over. So me and Lou used to have, like, a master account. We used to copy our trades over. And FTMO would never, ever... This is... Oh, my days, what a banger. But it would never place it on the FTMO. Like, barely ever. Obviously, unless it come into entry and stop lost and went further. But all the entries that tapped entry by about a pip and moved on, I just didn't see the rewards from it. So it's kind of annoying. But that's why you shouldn't copy trade with different prop firms. That's why you should always just have the terminals, your terminals ready in front of you. Can I change currency on ACG? I don't think you can, bro. But I've always traded dollar accounts. Even with FTMO, I'll trade dollar accounts. Why do you use dollar? Because, I mean, look at FTMO, bro. When it's like 70k, it's such a fucking annoying number. At least with 100k, you can actually work out, like, percents a lot easier. Because, obviously, I don't go off money. I don't actually go off money. I go off percent. It's easy to calculate percent when something's 100k instead of 70k, you know? I'd advise that as well. Don't calculate shit in money, boys. Not in monetary value. You want it in percents. Do you cross-trade the fundeds? Not any... I mean, yeah, we do. Some of the accounts. We've got quite a lot of accounts, bro. Especially with challenges now as well. So, yeah, we do. We do. Mate, GJ's actually really pissing about. What's the TP level? For EU, is daily CRT low, bro. So, 1.15074. Why does everyone trade dollar accounts? Yeah, I think that's the reason, bro. For me, that's the reason anyway. It's just a bit more easier to calculate. And I've always traded everything's in percent for me. You think EU will come lower down? What, lower than this level? Maybe, bro. I definitely in the longer, like tomorrow, I can definitely see that happening. Maybe not tomorrow, because Friday's a big retracement day. But this day CRT is all I want from today. All I really want from today. Yeah, GJ's taking the piss properly, bro. It's just fucking been coming back to entry like fucking 7 times now. Is UJ reaching a good order block? What time frame are you looking at? I mean, no, it wouldn't be reaching an order block because it's just going to the upside. You're going to see it take all times as well. I wouldn't look to sell UJ. You want to buy UJ. Just can't get you out of my head. You think GU will go to daily CRT? It's a bit further down, but yeah, I still believe in it. Maybe not today. Sophie Ellie Baxter. Oh yeah, why do I think it was Thingy who sung this song? I think I missed a few Christians actually. Other week of caught high, GJ, yeah, taking the piss. Other week of caught higher than low, GJ, 150. Nice, well, the buy's up. Nice, Tax. What's your risk management on prop firms? In what sense, bro? In what sense? I mean, with challenges, I'm a lot more, with prop firm challenges, I'm a lot more aggressive now because I've got funding. When you've got funding, you actually are just a lot more aggressive. I trade 2 strategies, but I always have like 2 challenges running at a time. Where I trade my LG strap and I trade my DCO strap, but I still normally trade 1% risk. So I'm not going to go with more risk. I just go with more accounts and 2 strategies instead of 1. And my funders is purely my main strap, which is ALG. Good confluences, of course. Can you show us a quick strategy using volume? The things with volume, I wouldn't say it's a strategy, it's just a confluence. Volume's a good confluence for your strategy. I wouldn't just use volume. Volume's so good, but use it with your strat. Defo. For a 200k funding, which profit target would you... 8% Nord, go with 8%, bro. The best accounts you can get is ACG, well, from ACG, of course, is the 2-step. 8%, 5%. On the targets and bi-weekly payouts. These are the best accounts you can get. And honestly, no spreads don't really matter. No spreads, no commission. Either one. I prefer no spreads. Easier to get in. When it's TP, boys, I'm going to jump off. If it doesn't, I'm staying on this stream until my eyes fall out of my face. And I actually am currently running on about 2 hours sleep because I am currently trying to give up the old broccoli, boys. And you know how hard it is to try and give up the broccoli when you've got a fucking Cali pack in your garage? I doubt us hitting CRT. Why do you doubt that, bro? It's only about 10 pips away from price. Are you talking about GU? Maybe you're talking about GU. I'll take it off you, just a bit of help, bro. Oh man. It's actually really nice. It's a real nice. I can't even remember what. I can't remember what it is. I'm 3 days off of it, man. Mate, it's one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. Trying to stop canny. And boys, the amount of fucking dreams I've been having, boys, is fucking horrible, mate. Fucking hell. I've genuinely not been able to sleep, man. It's been fucking horrible. I've been bunning since I was probably about 15. I'm 23 now. Every night without fail, and then when I've been full-time trading, I was full-time trading when I was about 20 years of age, just before I was 20, I think, just before I turned 20, and ever since then, bro, I've been bunning all the time, generally all the time. So like I'm used to bunning in the day 2-3 zoots, bunning at night 2-3 zoots. To go to that to none, bro. It's fucked. I'm catching up on all my sleep. I haven't dreamed for years. Like I didn't dream before. Like I started stopping. I haven't dreamed in probably about 5 years, bro. So mate, I've got the most lucid dreams ever. It's fucking horrible, mate. Every time it gets a night, mate, I fucking dread it. I honestly, right now, I wish I could just stay. I could just stay in a day. I might just keep traveling. I might just keep traveling to different countries just so I can stay in the daytime. Which fucking hell is horrible. It's just not how it works, though, is it, mate? Do you use DXY? Yes, brother. Always, cabs. Always. Thank you, bro. I catch one more trade with your help. God bless you. Anytime, my boy. Anytime, bro. You need Epoch or Scruff, Norwegian snus with real tobacco. Honestly, but I'm doing all right, innit? I'm doing all right. I'm 3 days. I'm pretty much 3 days sober of canny. 3 days I'm at. I've stopped all vapes. I don't buy any vapes anymore. I was quite heavy on those for a bit. I'm not buying any snap. So no blems. No, what do normal people call them? Fucking cigarettes. Don't bun them anymore. To be fair, I've never really been a big bunner of cigarettes. Mate, ever had sleep paralysis? Nah, bro. It feels like that's what I've been having, though, mate. Feels like that's what I've been having. First few days are the hardest. You won't even think about it if you continue to next week. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly that. Exactly that. But yeah, it's been fun, mate. Honestly, mate, in the day I've been feeling golden. I've been feeling lovely. But mate, when it gets to night, oh mate, fucking hell. Especially when I'm trading all day. I'm up from 6 in the morning, and I'll probably go to sleep at like 10:30 at night. And mate, I'm so ready to sleep, mate, but I just can't. I'll go to sleep and instantly, bro, I'm fucking fighting Vecna. Or I'm waking up and I'll have weird dreams as well, bro. I'll wake up next to a bird, have a full conversation with them, like I think I'm there, like bare lucid, I think I'm there, and then I wake up and no one's there, bro. It's fucking weird. Like, I bare think I'm there as well. Like one of them, bro, weird as fuck. One of them in this dream, must have been a dream because it couldn't have happened, but I woke up and I just watched this Rick and Morty episode. That I've watched Rick and Morty. I know every Rick and Morty episode by hand. I had a dream where there was a new Rick and Morty episode. It was actually quite fucking cool. And then I woke up like I must have been like 20 minutes later. The weirdest dreams, bro. And I go back to sleep and then, oh mate, you know what? I had a dream last night. It's horrible. It was only for about 10 minutes. But I can't really remember what was going on. I never really remembered dreams, what the fuck was going on. But I remember I was running, and mate, I just couldn't, for the life of me, I don't know what it was. It's like I had fucking like bricks on my feet. For the life of me, mate, I couldn't run. And I couldn't, with my arms, I was barely trying to momentally run. But bro, mate, last night I had the worst night, bro. It was actually the worst night of all 3 nights. Hot sweats, bro. I woke up dripping of sweat. Man, I had a dream that I fell asleep and I was fully clothed and I was wearing a coat. I woke up for like 10 minutes and I was wearing a coat. I was wearing fucking tracksuit bottoms. I was wearing shoes. I was like, bro, what the fuck am I, like, what the fuck is this? I wake up, like, literally 5 minutes later and I'm not wearing any clothes again. Mate, it's like the weirdest shit I've ever been through, bro. The weirdest shit. I would think I was on drugs now, bro. Bro, it's the weirdest things, man. So weird. Mate's my guy, I've been in the EU short since we had the 3-minute assist. I find that so funny. Of the order block. Nice, Gomo. That's what I like to see, my boy. That's what I like to see, bro. What hours do you actually trade? I trade from 7 till 10, bro. And any trades I've got after, which is like from 11 till like 3 o'clock normally, I would have on a challenge account. When I was younger, I would dream about Nuke going off in a distance and I was always sick after. What the fuck? That's weird. What type of illness did you have? Like, what type of sick was you after? That's bare weird. You just dreaming, bro. No, I know I'm just dreaming, but like in the moment, like it feels so real that it's actually a joke. Like, I've never had dreams where I felt so in the dream. Check GJ. Alright, GJ's having a lovely move off now. Hopefully he can actually move this time. Like vomit when I was like 5 to 10. Fucking hell, that's mad, bro. What, for 5 years as well? Did you like keep having those dreams every night? Yo, Squidward Walking's back on. You're just dreaming, bro. I hope Luke is okay. Of course Luke's not okay. That's why he comes in my live every day and he's like, oh, you're bad at trading. Nah. Every single day it's like, buy EU, buy EU, buy EU. Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot, 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 idiot. Like everywhere, like. But this is it, boys. This is why some people on TikTok and some people, I mean, not even just TikTok, boys. There's some young people that are just so fucking silly. I mean, I don't even need to explain myself, man. Luke's a little flid. As soon as I bring up Luke's name, I'll get done for harassment and bullying. Alright, I'll stop bullying him. I'll stop bullying him. Oh, GJ, you're actually taking a mick now. Right, boys, I'm going to jump off at 5, because this, at 5? Mate, fucking hell, mate. I'm jumping off at 3 o'clock, lads. Like, once a month, I didn't have it till the other month, like, oh, mate, that's crazy, bro. That's mad. Right, so, yes, bro, I've been getting the weirdest dreams recently, man. Mate, should I buy the 200k? What, from ACG? Yeah, bro. They're not even that expensive as well, boys. They're like fucking... They're like 800-900 quid, I think, or something. Also, if you use our code Richesse... It's got to be in all capitals. Use our code Richesse, you get 15% off, and we also give you 1 week in the mentoring, or 1 week in the signals, whatever one you want. All you got to do is send us a screenshot after you paid for it, where it says Richesse. You've used that discount, and then yeah, we'll get you in a mentorship for free. And bear in mind, boys, the mentorship for free is sick because you get a 2-hour call each morning. For that week, well, you're going to get it for that week. And this is the exact trade I had marked up at 6:30 this morning. I want a long GA. What do you think? I mean, I don't know. The Aussie dollar, bro, honestly, mate, I don't trade it at all. And I don't look at the economy by any means, bro. So I'll be honest, I wouldn't even want to give my point of view. It would be massively from a technical base. But I don't believe in it. I feel like you need to have fundamentals. But so I'm not too sure, Raymond. Yes, Ghost, what's good, bro? Should do. This is a banger. No spread or raw spread. Right, it's either raw spread or no commission. But I'd say no. I'd say no spreads, bro. Yes, Dan, how's it going, mate? Right, boys, I've been in here for 2.5 hours. I'm going to jump off. EU, big W. GU, some of you man got in, big W. GJ, still fucking pissing about our breaks. Yeah, Gold's not had the reaction off, so no trade from Gold. Shows the dollar's too strong. Boys, I'll be back tomorrow. Oh, shit, I forgot to say. Fuck, whoa, Mace. Whoa, hold your horses. Boys, every single Friday, okay, because I don't trade Fridays, boys. It's a day I leave out the markets. It's a very high manipulative day with very low volume, and for me, I need high volumes to trade. So Friday's a big no for me. But every single Friday, from 6:30 in the morning to 8:30. So for you early birds that want to get the early analysis, I'll be doing a call for 2 hours for absolutely free, and I'll do this every single Friday in the Discord. Every single Friday in the Discord. One of the best Discords you'll ever come about, especially from the UK, boys. This is the best fucking Discord. Huge community, and every single day in this exact... I'll send an announcement out in the morning, but in this exact channel, I stream from 6:30 in the morning to 8:30. and I'll go over the whole market's bias for the morning. Boys, if you want to get in that, again, you ain't got to pay a fucking penny. Drop me if you're on TikTok, drop me a message. 6:30 to 8:30, yeah, bro. And if you're on the YouTube, you should already be in a Discord. But if you're not, drop me a message on the Instagram. I'll send you an invite to the Discord. In fact, it goes for everyone, actually. If you're not in the Discord, boys, drop me a message on... Well, I doesn't do my personal Insta. Drop me a message on the Instagram, Richesse FX, and I'll send over an invite. The invite... Well, I'll send you a link. The link pretty much acts as an invite. Same for all you boys on the YouTube, boys. Go follow... Go drop me a message on YouTube. Am I an idiot? Go drop me a message on Instagram, and then I'll send the link over to you. So did you say and use your discount? Yeah, use my discount, bro, and I'll give you 1 week free in the mentoring. And also, I would say raw spreads. Me personally, I'll go with raw spreads. By the way, you're not always going to have raw spreads because ACG has a brokerage, and then a brokerage has a liquidity provider. So you're never going to be dead raw spreads. You're still going to have some form of spreads, but it takes away the spreads that the broker adds on, because you have two types of spreads. You've got broker spreads. You have broker spreads, and you have liquidity provider spreads. Put liquidity prov. Okay, so that it removes the broker spreads, not liquidity provider spreads. But liquidity provider spreads is still very low. But that's what I'd say to do, lads. Boys, I'll see you man tomorrow in the free Discord. We're going to be going live at 6:30. Be there early if you want to get early analysis. If you want to make some money early, I'm there. I'm there with you, man. Dudes on the TikTok, man, love you all to fucking death. Drop a follow if you want to see these lives every single day. I'm live every day, except for the weekend because I'm too busy fucking myself. Love, boys. Wow, that was a weird way to end the stream. Really weird way to end the stream. Dismiss. My boys on the YouTube, you know the love, man. Same shit every fucking day. We win trades. We fucking fuck bitches. We fuck bitches and win trades pretty much, right? That's just how it goes. It's actually really annoying I wasn't actually able to get in this. I'm actually low-key fuming. But it is what it is. Boys. Love. Actually, you know what? Let's do a little outro song. Let's put a little outro tune on. I feel like it just has to be the Madonna tune.
Good going, stranger. You can dance for inspiration. Come on, baby. What is it? Get to the groove, boy. You got to prove you're to me. Get up on your feet, yes, to the beat. You're with me. Music can be such a revelation. Get to the wrong.
Woo!
We might be lovers if the rhythm's right. I hope this feeling never ends tonight. Only when I'm dancing can I feel this free. At night I lock the door and no one else can see. I'm tired of dancing here all by myself. Tonight I'm gonna dance with someone else.
Get into the groove, boy, you gotta prove you're not to me. Get up on your feet, yes, that's it.